Are you looking for the investment of your life?
Do you want to join one of the most talented researchers in Africa?
Would you like to contribute to the improvement of living standards in Nigeria?
If so, you are watching the right page! We are Zuzana, Marek and Tomáš, and we are presenting the entrepreneur Taslim of Onikoko.
70% of Nigerian population works in agriculture. In order to maintain their old machines, they are in need of cheap, available and high quality product. That's why Taslim started his research 10 years ago. Eventually, he came up with the desired solution, lubricating grease.
Apart from agriculture, this is beneficial also for many other industries. Last but not least, it offers the way to deal with unemployment among science graduates in Nigeria. Let us point out what makes our product unique.
Firstly, we have extensive experience in producing a grease which is supported by numerous international awards. The product has already been established in the local market and has a number of existing customers.
Secondly, our product uses over 70% local raw materials, so in this way it stimulates and supports economic growth of Nigeria. In addition, we are able to sell the product cheaper than the competitors.
Thirdly, since we are the pioneer producers, we are awarded 5 years of tax vacation. The product is ready for full commercialization. These are the reasons which determine our project to be successful and which make our business sustainable.
In order to satisfy demand, we need to build a new plant. That's why we are seeking for the investment of $416,000, while the equity contribution from the owners is $151,000. We offer a share in our company and 30% return on investment during the first year with complete payback in 2 years.
So don't miss this great opportunity. Become a part of it and join Taslim.
Onikoko is my name. I'm the promoter behind this project from Nigeria. Thank you.